What's up guys, Prism here. Tonight I'm going to do System Test 1, a vintage Simplex setup. Let's get started. So for the pull station, I have a 425120. For the first notification appliance, I have a 4903 9219 horn strobe. On the second spot, I have a 2903 9002 light plate with a 2901 9838 horn. Right here, I have a 4903 9101 strobe plate with a 2901 9806 horn. It was low pitch, but then for some reason it became high pitch. I can always change that later, I guess. For the fourth device, I have the same strobe plate. I have two of them, by the way, with a 2901 9840 horn on the strobe plate. Alright. It's currently October 14th, so you know what that means. Happy National Fire Alarm Day. And without further ado, let's pull the alarm. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.